Bitcoin ETFs inflow hit $412 million amid Iran and Israel tensions. What is going on with the crypto markets? Why is the price fluctuating like this? Let's go ahead and do a deep dive. But first, welcome back to 99 Bitcoin's YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're doing a deep dive on Bitcoin and the broader crypto markets. As we're down about 1.4% on the day, yet inflows continue to come in as BlackRock drives another $412 million in Bitcoin ETF inflows amid the Israel and Iran conflict. So we can see Bitcoin ETFs extend a 6-day inflow streak, adding $412 million on Monday as institutional investors shrug off escalating conflicts between Iran and Israel. And we're seeing a majority of crypto influencers saying, sell your crypto, everything's about to crash, we're entering World War III. Yet, big money is going ahead and buying the dip where retail continues to sell off. We even see in terms of technical analysis for Bitcoin, moving averages are definitely sitting on buy for the day. When we look in the past 4 hours, we're seeing total summary of sell as moving averages are sitting in a strong sell. And then when looking on the week, we're seeing summary and buy as moving averages are in strong buy. So ton of inflow, yet there's still a decent bit of fear going on where people are selling. So it's interesting to see the kind of market that we're situated in right now and where we're about to see this market move. In terms of Bitcoin dominance is actually getting stronger at 20, which is odd because we were hoping to see the beginning of alt season, and fear and greediness sitting at neutral at 53. In terms of volume, we're sitting at $130 billion, up over 30%. There's been a decent bit of selling pressure going on in the past 24 hours. Also, guys, before we continue this video, I do want to ask you guys to check out Salaxy, as there's only 6 days left to buy this next potential 100x gem. We're talking about arguably the largest utility project on Solana. Salaxy's crypto pre-sale, world's first Solana Layer 2, launching in 6 days. It was originally supposed to launch yesterday, but they went ahead and extended the pre-sale because they're raising a phenomenal amount of money, averaging about $1 million a day. They've total raised just under $54 million. Salaxy's next evolution in blockchain technology, designed to unlock the full potential of Solana's ecosystem, experience unmatched scalability, and a future-proof network built to redefine Solana's capabilities. And what that basically means is making the Solana better, deliver epic customizations, efficiency, and performance to neutralize pain points like network congestion, failed transactions, and scalability limitations, while amplifying the strengths of Solana. If you want to buy this crypto pre-sale, I'm linking in the description below. The whales are buying, guys. They're literally raising $1 million a day. If you want to buy, last chance to buy, 6 days left. Link in the description below. But back to BlackRock, back to what's going on with the ETFs. Let's go ahead and take a deep dive on what's going on. US spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, ETFs, record $412.2 million in net inflows on Monday, extending their streak to 6 days and pushing total accumulated inflow to $46 billion. In the 6-day run, inflow began on June 9th and has now absorbed over $1.8 billion in capital, according to the data from Soso Value. The run continued despite escalating geopolitical tensions, including renewed conflict between Iran and Israel. Daily contributions include $386 million on June 9th, followed by $431 million surge on June 10th. Despite a slight dip midweek, inflows rebound sharply at $322 million on Friday, and most recently, $412 million on Monday. Total net assets across US Bitcoin ETFs have reached $132.5 billion, representing 6.13% of Bitcoin's total market cap. Trading volume remains strong, as well as with $3.12 billion in value exchange on Monday alone. BlackRock IBIT leads the charge. BlackRock iShare Bitcoin Trust led the charge with a record $266.6 million net inflow on Monday, has now accumulated over $50 billion. Fidelity FBTC followed with $82.96 million, while Grayscale BTC lagged behind with only $12.84 million and still shows a net outflow of $23.23 billion since inception. Despite rising tension between Israel and Iran, institutions are looking past short-term volatility and focusing on long-term positioning. And that's from Vincent Liu, Chief Investment Officer of the Taiwan-based company Kronos Research, told Telegraph, adding, steady Bitcoin ETF inflows reflect growing trust in BTC resilience, accessibility, and role as a hedge in shifting macro environments. So again, even though we see market instability because of conflicts around the world, looks like big money continues to buy the dip, and it's kind of encouraging people to do the same, okay? Bitcoin dips, but market structure holds. The uncertain Israel strike on Iran on Friday triggered a market sell-off, pulling Bitcoin down over 7% and ending the week in negative territory. Under the hood, metrics show a slight of capitalization. BitNext analysts said on Monday report that they noticed a net taker volume hit a multi-week low at 197 million, indicating aggressive selling. The selling, however, combined with a spike of liquidations, resembles past styles set up for often mark local bottoms, the analyst said. They added that if Bitcoin manages to hold 102 and 103 zone, it may suggest that selling pressure is being absorbed and the market could be primed for recovery. And again, very shortly after, we did actually see Bitcoin spike to about $107,000. And it's crazy to see Bitcoin above six-figure mark, even with all these economical shifts in place. So the first big crash we saw this month was when Bitcoin hit a bottom of $100,550. This is when Donald Trump and Elon Musk were going back and forth on X. Then when the strike kind of took place, we did see Bitcoin dip to as low as 103,693, and then the new bottom price being at 105.55. So we are seeing a general stability in the markets, and as more large money continues to flow into Bitcoin, it's just showing more and more trust factor across the market. It looks like the markets are willing to hold Bitcoin for the long term, which brings the argument, are we ever going to see a bear market again? It's unlikely with this much price stability. We see a bullish update. Swedish healthcare innovator H100 Group secures 144 BTC as part of its convertible loan settlement, boasting its crypto reserves. The firm holds a robust 169 Bitcoin on its balance sheet, signaling strong confidence in Bitcoin's long-term value. H100 Group's strategic move align with its focus on integrating blockchain solutions to enhance healthcare data security and operational efficiency. So again, the amount of money that's flowing into Bitcoin, it looks like Bitcoin is going to be here for the long haul, and it looks like we could be seeing a new Bitcoin all-time high very soon. And the question poses, will this be the beginning of a new altcoin season? Now, before we wrap this video up, guys, I do want to take a second to highlight our partner for the project, Best Wallet. I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you check out Best Wallet. Best Wallet is an anonymous crypto wallet that allows users to create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today, available on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial. You can buy, store, deposit, send, swap. Support 60 plus chains and everything you need in a wallet, all in one stop. Now that wraps up the video, guys. Like always, none of this is financial advice, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.